Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. There are all kinds of Toyotas in this world, aren't they? Let me show you today a really special one. This is some kind of custom. How shall we call it? Toyota camper? Maybe? Toyota pickup truck camper? Who knows? Let's go and have a look for it. What is this custom about? Really interesting. And how we guess the year of it? That's a good question, right? But look at this. Somebody really went crazy, I will say, and customize this old truck. Well, respect to his creativity, right? Definitely. Pretty cool. Not something what I would like to have, but I will say it's interesting and might be inspiration to someone else. Well, thanks for watching and have a good one.